Well, welcome back to Steve Rod Reviews, and welcome back to my northern camp in Northern Ontario. As you can see behind me here, I've got some equipment. Today we're going to have some fun, and I'm going to show you my pole saw and how it's essential for me to have a pole saw up here so I could actually groom my my area where I got to cut the grass. And if you can see in the background there, the trees have all been delimbed to a certain level, so I can get underneath there with my tractor. You guys that have seen my tractor and my canopy, it's pretty tall, so I got to get underneath these branches. So over in this section over here, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do today. I have to take the limbs down, and a lot of people have never used a pole saw before, and I'll show you the one that I have. It's just the basic entry-level Stihl pole saw, and I started off with my brush cutter, you know, to take all the underbrush down first, and I'm going to show you the pole saw and how this thing is just phenomenal. So let's get to that right now. Well, let's start off at the business end here of the pole saw, and that's a 12-inch chain. And as you could see, you only get this section here when you buy it. This is the combi unit, and so you only get this section here. And I bought the center section myself, and all you get is the power head. And this thing is awesome. I use it all the time. And if you're interested to know what the model number is, there it is right there, KM56RC. And I have at least, wow, it's got to be well over 100 hours on this so far, and it's just awesome. So I'll set the camera up here and I'll show you what I do. And I have to do this in the different areas, you know, from time to time as the trees get larger. And you know what, that's the only way to go, is to take the branches off in the bottom. And as you can see, I can only do so much at a time, so I'm going to be doing them ones there as well. And over in the corner here, you can see how it gets too close and too tight in between there, so you got to be able to drive the tractor around. But this spot right here I'm going to show you is, yeah, you could see how my top of my tractor canopy is going to hit all in through there. And how long is this going to take me? Probably 10 minutes tops. The worst part is picking up all the branches. So let's get to it, and I'll show you how easy this is. Was that fast or what? Well, here we go. Here's the branches all down, and that didn't take any time at all. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this side right here. Now I'm not going to go all the way around because I got other trees to do first. I just need a good clear passageway to get through here. I'm going to pick up all these branches and then we'll come back. Okay, so you guys check that out right there. That took me 15 minutes. Cut it, get rid of all the branches. What a huge improvement. And now I have to come in here with the saw and do some trimming. But could you imagine doing that with a chainsaw? Man, you would have one hard time. And if you're wondering, yeah, down here is next. And I'm going to do that whole tree today. And I might come back and finish this one off here. But here's all the branches here. And look at the sides of that tree that was growing inside there. And it just zipped that off like nothing. Well, I hope you like that. Me just showing you a little bit how to use the pole saw. It's very easy. And after a while, you'll never touch a chainsaw again when you need to do some delimbing. And actually it makes it look, you know, a lot better. And of course, you don't have that hazard of the canopy on the tractor getting caught up. Yeah, you don't need that kind of stuff with branches whipping in your face and that kind of stuff. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe. And thanks for joining me up here in Northern Ontario. Cheers.